Someone asked about the fog lights. There is a rear fog lights, a red one, and it's always on the side of the driver. So it depends where you are located, in which country. Going to be right or left side, just one side. And these are my daytime running lights. It's on, my car is running. So when you press this guy here and the light switch, you'll get the fog light turns on. Notice there's none on the other side. You have a socket here, but don't put a light. I mean, you can put one, but it's not legal. So theoretically, for safety road regulation, it has to be on driver's side. And the bolt for this guy going to be this bolt here. Notice how this light assembly is. So it's this guy. Just try to reattach. But it looks like it has two pins, one contact, and there is one single. It does work even with the engine off, but with the key in position too. So if you happen to be in a fog and want to stop the car on the side of the road and turn the engine off, be sure to have it in position too.